Mayankai, Yerin Fiuno, when I wait to Mukri, I did not see my one. One share of Batman's Papa Yara, Mfum Kofi to four. Adakwa, Ibrahim Sunday, Reverend Osei Kofi, Malay Jabe, Osei Driver, I did not see my mother. Nasia Nedimam, we Yadamase, 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 Osei Koko, Yadamase, Osei Koko, Yadamase, Kofi Mese, since Yadamase, so Yadamase, Nano Poku, Yadamase, so my freedom was inside Yadamase, Yahweh, 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 Namima, I want it, Yadamase, Yadamase, Yadamasa.
I love it.
Okay. Ewie baby bia obi a mema wa ha esan so ema wa kwa baby o. Me yesim kunya e wo commentary position like commentary na ye de eba we Ghana Premier League match week 32 na ewie yesim kunya ye de ho nsem so eba nti baby bia obi a me sanso echia ema wa ha esan so ema wa kwa baby o. At the 100.7 FM and if 102.7 live commentary and I yet eba medical kahonsem etumi so de achiro na mam ene ebosumi ahase yeah ene ekwesi ade ene ebosumi ahase ene wo mutumi so de mani kopi mo waso de mu nyina nyakopo nhira mo na efi mo wanye mu nyina mo kese emfa emma me ene second June afi 2024 mo Nyankopon na yeda so kuta yemu a wode ye eko wode ye eko pa wode ye eko ntino baby bia wo bia ya na wode nase ene ayiyi ene kanfo de am so eje Nyankopon de boss ne asase no ya na wode ayiyi ene nase etume so de ama no yesi afi 2024 no waboye nyina ye ho ban waboye ho ban Samuel wote menka menso mete wonka mti sanity nti be wanamotu bia obetu bia aya no ade Nyankopon ase ene ma mutumi de mani kopie mo ewo eye Pentecost aso demo ma mutumi so ko Roman aso demo ma moko Winners Chapel International so Winners Victory Chapel ma mutumi so de mani kopie mo won so nkaye ni nyina na no Saturday no mamoko eye enasem na meke mamoko SD mamoko GD munyina Nyankopon nhira mo na eneme de mani kopie mo ma sorry na baby amesom eye Boshen Methodist eye Gethsemane Methodist Church wo Boshen eho ena mesom ene eho na me de mani kopie ma me yakosom ye ema bibia enso etumi so koyi nti mamenchi a Gethsemane aso mani nyina mo wo Boshen Nyankopon nhira mo na efi wanya mo kese na so dem hon so ye de pa on se Methodist aso ye de edu bosomi ahase ye na nya asem keto aso ni mo de obe fani instrumental afo ni jigum na kwa afo ni so jigum na efi singing band afo ni jigum na brigade for so ho YouTube for be jigum Sunday school for no so be jigum Methodist aso dem de wede ti mecha Gethsemane mecha Gethsemane Methodist Church masoma mo Boshen nyina Nyankopon nhira mo na wonye nyina yakese enso ewo ho okay into sanity Ghana Premier League match week 32 and we yesim kunya yede ho sems eba week 32 ehya na no fiada no has any nation sepsi ena ebia no na yaba besim kunya na yebeka ho sempi na etume so de akire and the two matches etume so ekoso Villa League Centers ni bi yede ho sem so eba Samson na yede dey no matches na sanfo to so Villa League Centers nemum commentary na se match yesim kunya yede commentary no eba Asante Kotoko any Great Olympics ena ebo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex obi bebusa sidi internet Asante Kotoko amo Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium ne nyina ya ho sisi a World Cup qualifiers nyame ya adom ebetumi so atodwa ewo kumham na Ghana ene Central African Republic ebetumi so dey antam so nti mpanyinfo ye mesisi kakra bi ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium nti Amasante Kotoko game no koso ewo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex ebewulo mo na Solomon Carter 1 etumi so aba homa no so na efi wono so etumi so atodwa etumi so dey efiri ho na efi ye ho sede enema ewo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex Asante Kotoko ne Great Olympics ena airborne Samson ebewulo mo so Vela Lake Centers no na efi the matches ba ko mi ni bi ekoso ho etumi so dey aba na yebewulo mo ewo Golden City Park eho na bekum Chelsea etna efi no money we Tamale United the game no etumi so abaso Dreams FC betle fi na Omane Kawala United game no abaso Theatre of Dreams ewo dewu Medima Sporting Club etna takwa Akum Park Omane Pando Heart of Lions ena airborne Nswateman FC etna na Mansa Park ewo Nswatere Omane Accra Lions ena de yantam so ewo Samala Boy Samates 1996 etna fi na omani bebi ne Go Stars etwin so area yantam so we ye Western Derby ena eba so ewo ho nti ya no ma na so pa etwin so dia ma nti win so ne matches a eba so ewo Villa Lake Centers na efe mada na echire etwin so ede ama ni Great Olympics ene Asante Kotoko ena ebo bekum Chelsea etna efe mane out you ebo Dreams FC Kawala United Medima Sporting Club ene Pandu Heart of Lions Nswateman FC ene Accra Lions ene efe Samates ene bibi ene Go Stars ene de yantam so ti win so na matches a eba so ene de ene efe yesim kwanya ye de honsem so eba eye Bosheba Electric Asadawama ene yesim kwanya ye de like commentary no so eba nti ya no ahye no so pa etumi so edi amame se open kania papa dia eye Bosheba Electricals eho ena obekwa na obeba nefi waba beje wode nefi niema etumi so aye fine edi amam enche bia yebewulo mo nefi ya de commentary no etumi so edi atoa so ye pusu ahoma nefi yensa enya ka Solomon Carter 1 ewa ahoma no so a obeba nefi no so am yensa de niema ekoso Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex Asante Kotoko ne Great Olympics na dynamics okay Sulaba intine first half oba na we ya memang said the game no ekuwia the chances of the Continental Club Masters phobia more chances on before relegation no you be the home komo and Sunday so which made no so okay still na solo intimates for Emma Homano Sintino yen twas on femfili ho has edin kunim nanu fiada no almost nations come no Emma nations set to me so anti movie has eshimi no nations to me so anti okay so then ya ba homa no so yen twas so emfa infili ho Solomon Carter otemika
Bon me tonka me yes so tell so now they are faba kone so now we let the juma for bi
mate okay ti yen keka ne man fancy enu bi na afi yen fa so emla homa no so na on to so emfa infili ho so emfa emayen ti Sunday Ghana Premier League match week 32 and I yesim kwanya ye de honsem so eba nti ye toto niema na ye de solo aba homa no so na afiri Solomon Carter etumi so atoa so e de afiri ho mte ya no ahye no so yi pa etumi so de ama nti me ba na efi ababi di eye Jumedia na America ho asem has any Great Olympics omo match no e ba ibidi ho nkomo nti no ye hene fi atoto niema na efi de Solomon Carter etumi so aba ahoma no so before that no ye first half of ba ye sound so ebeto aso na fi enkomo ba ko mi ni bi ho ene me no bi di enkomo na Jumedi ne ba ne wi ya sound so aba ahoma no so na fi ye di enkomo so e de afiri ho na bibia etumi so akoye enso e ho Samates ene bibia ne Go Stars ena ebo okay so lo temenka okay bibia nso ededemu ewa ha
yes
uko pie mu ho aje
Oh yes, me do abe 1:30. Ekobo 2. I have to name a copy the game no. Astase ewo agopramane so.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now before that, no, so Oko PM the Great Olympics Asante Kotoko. Yenim say Olympics and to me and Kunuma Ebeboa has. Oko do what it is in Sonibia. Na bi on TV bi asa o.
Baby and TV bia.
E ho ye di.
Kotoko. Frederick Asare from Black Stars camp say ne Omeda go post na Simu Kwala. Eso mo game we and san on the nani Uganda and in Kotoko. I feel they a strong squad at the Olympics. So we have any say Omunye team be a favor. Our Ghana Premier League in more. I was said the spirit of competitiveness. Juma. Our Ghana Premier League in with regards to Omu Kotoko any Olympics game.
Okay, so medase mejidi ye say Jumedi na shase nti so no kata. Yeah. Solo.
100.7 on your fire FM. Yeah, it's for you Kwaba and Famra Dr. Kwa Ghana Premier League March week 32. Games. Kosuna ube PM ha Kotoko and Accra Great Olympics. And a day airborne game no asase dada ewo agopramane so a yes I can be sima bienu ekomiensa obi a entumi ense bi Kotoko afam no Frederick Asare, Justice Blay, Sergi Erickson, Steve Mukwala, Enoch Morrison, Isaac Husseini, Yusuf Mohammed Nuruddin, Baba Yaya, Andrew Sintimenu, Nicolas Osebosu, and Peter Akwa Amidu. Womo ebo eti amakotoko. Accra Great Olympics, Benjamin Asare goalkeeper, Razak Kasim, Matthew Abayase, Isaac Mensah, Samuel Abe Ashikwe, Raymond Oko Gregman, Ebenezer Sete, Matthew Agama, Kekeli Ato, Albert Amua, and Glasson Awapo. Womo so ebo eti ama Accra Great Olympics and ewa go pramane so a dem no asase dada Kotoko sebi Olympics one mo so sebi ball no a free kick Accra Great Olympics a ball e de etia Kumase Asante
Oyirpa FM. I love it. Oyirpa FM. I love it. You're listening to 100.7 FM.
Bono a free kick Olympics and a ball Kumase.
You're listening to 100.7 FM.
Oyirpa FM 100.7.
Okay. Yehwa homa no network ne nye kula enye. Na before that we were so Villa Lake Centers na matches no eguso a ekoso. Okay. Mame for Solomon Carter Emla homa no so matches ni bi a share so Villa Lake Centers no. Medu ere economy ba be kan SMP etumi so dia 20 emfa Solomon Carter emfa ento aso.
Yetwa game ne sto ate amai. What be chen yeguso atoto ne ma ne kakrakra. And say ahano reception na bibia Bono Abedi Kumase Asante Kotoko Enoch Morrison one kuta bono wajebo ni mu eje ama Isaac Husseini we pia bo already akoma Justice Blay Justice Blay for Kumase Asante Kotoko we pia bono Abedi Peter Akwa Amidu Isaac Husseini went to me anko Bono atrashe Samuel Ashikwe one born koye and Isaac Husseini wabo in place of Kumase Asante Kotoko one more regular right back Emmanuel Kote Bono Abedi Nicolas Osebosu where you bono Timiako Bonata say goalkeeper Benjamin Asare where Pia Bono and Ama Matthew Abayase we come on the bonus mo Obia anyone. Enoch Morrison, Wahiba on the Amani goalkeeper, Frederick Asari. Frederick Asari and Jebo, the Bonama Babaya, Baba to Enoch, the Bonache, Bonabedi 50 FM, Kekeliato, Wajebo, Bonabedi, Glassina Wako, good old Glassina Wako, one of Kutabono at Tayamaka Great Olympics. Wajebo, the Boni Kobo Kwava Soviet Makwana, and answer me. Bonabedi Justice Play. What the bono ama intimano wajebo ni musim mukwala wapia ede ama sese oh dabi sese intime fa bonanko ama branchia ye freno kekeli ato wako ibona ma akodi goalkeeper Benjamin Asare watubono ede ama Matthew Abayase Tiabono, Wanya Matthew Atama de Isaac Mensa le pass on Rabetamwa. Now so you see Nuruti, where he born a Madiko keeper Frederick Asare, Wajebo Nimjama, Justice Blade, the Kutabono. Now so Abantanity Samuel Asikwe, watch it, Asikwe, oh. Wawini corner kick. Ediamaka Great Olympics. Samuel Asikwe. Wawini corner kick. Ediamaka Great Olympics. Boni mwede papa. Yes, I can see my okay. Ofedi kan. Obian sebi. Apeda boni mdia sim. Enoch Morrison and Pim Eddie Frio 100.7 on your Power FM live commentary of the Ghana Premier League from the Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. Bono Akodi Kekaliato Wabosot Debbie Kotokwa Yepi Nicolas Osebonsu Eric Sese back to Nicolas Ekabona say Ware Steve Mukwala Wafa Wani Razak Kasim, hey, Yasum Nashua, referee Sibono, a goal kick. Yemo, Infantia, Accra, Great Olympics. Bonnie, goal kick. Wejebo Nimuntem, Bonnie, Raymond Oko, Crickman, Wadiama Matthew Abayase. Abaya say Etiama Glassina Wako, good old Glassina Wako. Wajebo Matthew Abaya say once again. Wadiama Razak Kasim, captain of the Olympics. Wapiabo, Nobona Bedi Oko Gripman. Wadiboniko. Wajebo Kekeliato. Wale pass. Matthew Abaya say. Wajebo Nimo Ediama Samuel Asikwe. Asikwe Kabona say, oh. Bonata say, throwing. Bonabedi Justice, Blade Diama, Frederick Asare. Asare Diama, you see Nurutin. Bonadeboni Pia. Wale pass. Wanya Sebo to Nicolas. Oh, Debbie. Matthew Abayas, very, very physical. One Steve Mukwala, one Kim on the crowd. Bonikuta Eric says, the pass to Mianko. Bonabedi Kekeliato, Rasa Kasim, Wajebo Nimo, and the Bono Weko 50 FM. Olympics, one control game, no. Matthew Akama, which are be to the right side, Uncle Isaac Mensa. Ninsankano. Amabona Kodi Yusuf Nurutin. Wadibona Mani goalkeeper. Bonabedi Yusuf Nurutin. Wale pass to Nicolas Osebonsu. Nanso Oko Gripman. Wadibona Chairman Atashe. A goal kick. Olympics. Benjamin Asare Wajebo Nimo. Wadibona Mabantan Didi Matthew Abayase. What the man Samuel Asikwe. What the ball over match to Akama. Ye cannot referee free kick at the Olympics. Referee free kick at the Olympics. Referee George Mauli Fomo. Ono NA center referee NA area. Bona Bedisi Mukwala. What the man Peter Kwa. Referee foul. Ediama Kotoko. Na Kotoko Reni Muse. One benya advantage. Nanso mwanya. Referee foul the amomo. 100.7 Oyepa FM. Live commentary. And our Sugusa Ute from the Dr. Chase Force Complex. Ewa Benkese. Wago Pramawe, maybe I can. Naya Kesvin FC. Ora Kwabna Kesi Timothy ano. Ago Pramo be Simo mo mudisi akan. Ebe jam paya. Kopim se Nesi FC ba Premier League mu. Ena Dr. Chase ebe ji Ago Pramo SCC ACC. What they ever Ghana Premier League anymore. Bonnie Oko Cake, Raymond Oko Capeman, which one at it? Animal Olympics. What Piamono and the Amani goalkeeper, Benjamin Asare, was Sadiama Oko Capeman, also 14 Jesse. What Cabon has in order, Abetamani Sankano, Bonabedi Baba, Yaya. Where you born, I say. Inti menu working nicely. Inti menu we carbon Peter Kwamidu Debbie goalkeeper Pierre Chibone the Olympics. Peter Kwamidu Wonya Bobby Eweti at boxing mu ni favaso no yese or cross it Amasti Mukwala Nansoni Sankano Benjamin Asari Chibono at the Olympics.
FM 100.7.
Okay, say ahomano atia to modia yenko Villa Centers no na yenhwe matches no the ekoso na yenfa ho resource emfa ema o mu bekum Chelsea in Shebi Samson out to you into me Shebi Dream Service in Shebi Kawela United into me so in Shebi Medema Sporting Club Takwa Akum Park into me Shebi Samson and a Pando out of Lions into me so in Shebi our Nana Kramansa Park and so Ataman FC Asheba Lions into me so NTA and a woman so Samana Boya in Century Park Samates into me so in Shebi Samson and I be any Ghost Stars into me so in Shebi. To win some matches are air cost of Villa Lake Centers in the FMA to me so than actually at the amount. The Golden City Park 30 minutes any abo. Become Chelsea in Shebi out in Shebi. Theatre of Dreams, Dream Service in Shebi. Kawela United into me so in Shebi 30 minutes in a to me so abo. Takwa Akum Park, Medema Sporting Club, about 14 minutes. Omuntu in Shebi, something a Pando out of Lions. Into me so in Shebi. Nana Kramansa Park in so Ataman FC 1 Accra Lions 0 Samates okay mame fa we mfemfo so laba incidents be appear when yemfa
Po Kumase Asante Kotoko Steve Dese Mukwala Wati Ediama Kotoko Wati Raymond Oko Poke Manetitoy Enti Mukwala yeso de ne bench le ye wu ya ne se o ma tripping no to 18 yard box anymore. George Mauli Fomawo right on the spot or we still here Edenisa it's a penalty spot no into a penalty for Kotoko Steve Dese Mukwala nani abrese o beti coding boot no Michel Koki no Ediasini Naso, our Ghana Premier League anymore. They said there a straight fight between Mukwala and Ibrahim Chelsea. Player on the team, Stephen Amankona. Referee George Mauli Fomawo. Wasen Abe. Steve Mukwala. Bafero. Benjamin Asari achi penalty no. Hey! Steve Mukwala. Was a penalty no. Very, very unfortunate. Steve Mukwala. Good opportunity to get the first goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And he flaws his chance. Yet one game no sweaty Amamo. Game no ya Baron Kotoko Shebi. Accra Great Olympics. Yes, Sima. 80 minutes. Another chance for Kotoko. Naso Matthew Abaya say abo Peter Akwa. I'm a born out trash here. A goal kick. Olympics say boy dey check Kotoko. Goalkeeper Edimo Olympics. What a form. The medical team na kwa ni nchen omo kohwe no. Metro Olympics. One more medical team no. Olympics a year point way. Ede ya survive. Kotoko. Oluso. Owinio. Obodro. Enyansu Sansobia. Our Santi Kotoko position on the league table, Sabio Muji League, and also Muko relegation. Name of Olympics there. Olusi game where a bad thing, the Amano saw the surviving relegation. And we say, acquire Olympics, Heart of Lions, RTU, Bofako Tano, Accra Heart of Folk, Karela United, Lagos City, and one more win here. One more battle relegation. One more pre-Ewasio. Yet one game this to Benjamin Asari, sorry. Wachebo Nimo Ejayama Raymond Oko Kidman. Kidman a Piamboni Society Ama Benjamin Asari. Asari de Bonama Matthew Abayase. One at the Boneko. Bonan Tibianko Kodi Andrews in Timanu. When the Bonama Justice Blade. When Piabono Etiama Bonabedi Enoch Morrison. When Timia Fabona Kobona Tashe throw in for Kotoko. Bonabedi Yusuf Nurutino Etiama Eric Sese to Babayaya at the Bono Ama Justice Blade. Where Pierre Ediconi Fafaso, Isaac Fuseni, Enoch Morrison, Yakim Babayaya, represent Twaso, Matthew Abayase, Wadama Oko Kidman, Kidman Dama Abayase, Wajebo Nimo, Edama Asikwe Dama Kekeli Ato, for Olympics, on the right side, Kekeli Ato, Kekeli, Apeja Bonim, Nankora is a come on in Sankano. Bonatra throw in. Bonnie throw. Kotoko Eriatia Olympics. Yes, ya Kaino Sima Etionu Bako 21 minutes. Kotoko Shebi. Olympics in Shebi. Then so say yes, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And the World Cup qualifiers. Central African Republic kabebo. And untina Asante Kotoko eti omu home game way. Ababe PM ewo Dr. Chase Sports Complex. Ewo Abrankese. Bono Abedi Oko Grapeman. Wadiama Matthew Abayase. Bayase Kaboni 10 to the left side. Nankore Matthew Akama. Nesankano. Bono Achase throw in for Kotoko. Kotoko enya throw in. Wama to Boni 10 so. Bono Abedi Peter Kwamidu. Wai Bona throw in Steve Mukwala. Mukwala wa control Bono. Wani Oko Grapeman. Mukwala. Oh, passing and Timianko, as he could above you, Bonabedi, Intiman was short. Debbie, Enoch Morrison about short. Goalkeeper Benjamin Asari Achibono. Benjamin Asari. Wachibono, FJama. Accra Great Olympics. Taboni 2010, the Bonesim. Boni throw for Accra Great Olympics. Watubono Glassing Awako. Kotokwache. Justice Blay. Wadibonama Nicholas Osebonsu. To Justice Blay. Justice Blay to Enoch Morrison. Morrison to Yusuf Nuruddin. Wapia Diama Justice Blay. Blay Diama Intimenu. Wantimi Alpha Bonanko the Olympics. Samuel Asike Wake. Waje Boni Ase. Baya Sale Personal. Isaac Wantimi control. Abedi Nicholas Osebonsu. Wabodi Bohunu. Akodi Olympics go area. Benjamin Asare. Wapia Diama Oko Grapeman. Wale Personal. Enoch Morrison. One tree. Glassing Awako ahead. Kekeliato. Wafa. Oko Grapeman, where you born as it, where rise the Samoa, nice control. Now see Nuruddin Yachano, Refraje Foul, Etiama, Kumase Asante Kotoko. A free kick, a Kotoko airball, Eddie Etia Olympics. Wabobono, Bono Akodi, Justice Blay. Blade at the Bonnie Pia, where Jebonim the Confifian Fem. When you branch and in the Eric says it, what the pastor boy, Nanko Pitaqua, Nesankano, I'm a born attache, a go cake. Olympics airball area tia, Asante Kotoko. Go cake for Accra Great Olympics. Benjamin Asari Jambonechi. Wakaboni 10 the Bonesim. Enoch Morrison. Wadinitia Kibono. Isaac Fuseni. Wapia body Dama Justice Blay. Blay to Intimenu Andrews. Wakin Razak Kasim. Wadiama Blabium. Blay Aboni 10 Peter Aqua. O control ya trase. A throw in for Watubono Bonabedi Razak Kasimo Fifi. Wale passing it to the right side. Accra Great Olympics. Woman of the Bonico. Glassing Awako. Wale pass. Isaac Kamwa. Glassing Awako. Waper Sotabo. Wale pass in him. Olympics. Woman right in about Sinimo. Debbie. Glassing Awako. Eden Sababonim. Amabono. Refrate. Foul. Ediama Kotoko. I'm waiting your box anymore. A free kick. Frederick Asari. Wajebo anymore. Make Frederick Asari as me. Obibusa say ah. Na say Frederick Asari. No Blasters camp. Ebani saying and waja go. Etiama Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko management. And a show at the command the Blasters of Ghana. technical team no any management committee as a Muslim womo release Frederick Asare momo na o me ball Olympics game we say game we ehia omo pa as o boya na wasan join the Black Stars camp and Black Stars in penny for accept Kotoko request in general and Frederick Asare or joining Kotoko team no and then obo game new year or we sign aqua back to kind no I join the Black Stars team no. That is the story of Frederick Asare from the Black Stars camp to play for Kotoko against Accra Great Olympics. Yet what came so at the Amamo. Yes, Sakai Sima Edjolunso 27 minutes at the Dr. J Sports Complex, a Kotoko home game. Kotoko in Chevy, Olympics in Chevy. Live on Oyepa 100.7 and live commentary of the Ghana Premier League with 22 games. Bonabedi Simukwala, Otimiko Simukwala. Oh, Debbie, Nation Pabono, and I'm Debbie Simukwala. Daniel Koke. Matthew Abaya said, what they born in 10 times to Asikwe. Asikwe, the Bonama, Abetamoa. Abetamoa. What they born him, Glass in Awako. I will quite tell them, Tekeliato. Are you right? Cross the ball. Oh! Kotoko Pim and the Kokona. Corner kick for Olympics. Body a corner kick. Animal Great Olympics. Matthew Akama. Eric Tabonesi. Matthew Akama. Wapenda Bonimo. Kotoko Yafro. Eric says it. Eric says it. Eric says it. Eric says it. Wapenda Bono Nanko Rebabaya. In Sankano, Olympics are clearly a free. Offside against Olympics. Kotoko na ni mo repia. Bono Koli Isaac Fuseni. Fuseni apia Bono to the right side. Obieni. Bono Tase. Bono Tase. A goal kicker. Olympics able and a check Kotoko. What's the body much so? Bonabedi Glass in Awako. Awako Jeboli Madia Isaac Mensa for Olympics. Isaac Mensa Piabono. If it is a century, what the Bonate, I made the Kotoko, but Chabon Tente, Benjamin Asare, Pia Chipono, Eliamon, Accra Great Olympics. Benjamin Asare. Watibono, Eliamon Olympics. Watibono in Bona Medica Keliato, Ebenezer Setcher, one of the Bonico, Ebenezer Setcher, Watibono. Glass in Awako, where you send quite a master team. And so, Nissan Channel, Kotoko player back where they're from. Kotoko player, header from Andrews in Timenu. The referee said, hey, water break. Nigeria will make a car. The players in Amboso, Pisariana Bapa. Water break. Yakanizano, let's already league Acadian store. Study near Matches, the Bibians, son. Kotoko, at the 9th, Amutoso and Crow, 44 points. Olympics, F4 to relegation zone.
FM 100.7.
Olympics, 37 points. Amutoso 16. woman fall to relegation zone. Sana ne manete o. Ebeliro.
Okay, so players no edge o Mahomedia me yemfa matches ba ku mini bia said me kan na yekoso Vela Lake Centers no emfa emma e Golden City Park be kum Chelsea shebi 30 minutes na yetumi so abo out you intumi so shebi Dream Save Certificate e Theatre of Dreams untumi shebi Sanfona Carolina United intumi so shebi 30 minutes na yetumi so abo e wo ho Samson Williams or Takwa Akumpaka, Medema Sporting Club TV. 31 minutes na yetumi so abo. Untumi shebi Samson Pando out of Lions. Intumi so shebi. Nana Mansa Park in Swataman FC TV Shekane Bako. Accra Lions Atakano Amana 1-1. Misima Eduasane yabo 30 minutes na yetumi so abo eho. Samson Williams wo aboya. Samata said if you into me, she be something baby any go stars into me so NCB 30 minutes and a yabo and so when to win in matches are air coso Villa Lake Centers and every met me so than actually to me so the amount will come Chelsea in Shebi out to you in Shebi Dream Saves in Shebi Carolina United into me so NCB Medema Sporting Club in Shebi Pando out of Lions into me so NCB in Swataman FC Sheba Accra Lions at Kanamanaya 1-1 Samates NCB something baby any good stars into me so NCB Asante Kotoko Great Olympics instead of solo de my and sanity will be into me so far ball and to Yonkon so atenemu Solomon Carter to aso Abrankesi
Yarisumi came no ever Abrankesi back from the water break. Bono Ekuta Kotoko Manteno. Yes, I can Sima Etiasa Mienu Komiansa Kotoko Sebi Olympics in Sebi. Live on 100.7 Oyepa FM. Bonabedi Yusuf Nuruddin. Wajebo Nimu Edibona Masi Mukwala Ediama Osebo Suna so Lucy Bonamana Kase Troy. Watubono Bonabedi Razak Kasim Olympics. Razak Kasim Ekabona say Edi 24 Faso. Nankore Isaac Mensa and so Isaac Kiniwo. Bonakodi Nicolas Osebonsu. Osebonsu Ejebonimo. Elia Koma Justice Blay. Blay ne Kutabono Edema Kotoko. Epiabono Peter Kwamidu. Amidu back to Blay. Blay the Bonate, Matthew Akama, and to me control a pressure. A throwing Kotoko 20 times. Sa Kuseni. What the Amata Kwamidu. Long sending ball to the left side. Babaya body country. Nicolas Osobonsu. Steve Mukwala to Babaya. Babaya Timianfa. Bonatase. A throw for Accra Great Olympics. Olympics. Etubon where the Tia Kotoko. Tekeliato. One alpha bono. Watubon in 10 times so. Woman to me and Fabona Bona Tashe. A true Kokotoko. Womuswa to the Terasa Kasim. Wajebo Nimo. Bonabedi Nok Morrison. Morrison a year Sekaka. Akodi Eric Zeze Yama Babaya. Babaya. Back to Zeze. To see Mukwale. Short. Debbie. Bono and baby cry. Bonatase go kick. Olympic Sabo Eddie Etia Kotoko. Benjamin Asari. Wani Abaya say Abo born in tem. Benjamin, what the born ba? Asari. What a penalty. Ediamo Olympics. Kaboni Tente. Warrior Isaac Mensa. Abetamwa. Wa control. Ballet pass to the right side. Nanso Nicolas Osebons was sliding. Went to Mianje. Isaac Mensa. Once again. Isaac Mensa across the ball. No deflection. Corner kick for Accra Great Olympics. Bono a corner. Accra Great Olympics, Matthew Agama. One of Fabono, Etiam Olympics, Obebo, Eddie Sim. Say Olympics, Eto, Anasomu Lucia. Relegation sono, one of them, 60 for chance. Oh, another corner kick for Olympics. A Beneza Seche. One who any the connection from Matthew Agama, but a deflected Kotoko defenders. No, another corner kick. Matthew Agama, 893. Matthew Agama. Wapeja bono. You see Nuriti na Pimbo Nefrio. Glassina wako wa control. Edi ama Asikwe. Asikwe. Back to Glassin. Awako. Awako adane ho. Wadi ama Asikwe biem. 1-on-2. Asikwe. Ubeti na kiana. Wabo. Kotoko Eyefrio. Referee foul. Etia Asikwe. Bono Ebon inside in the process. Into a free kick for Kumase Asante Kotoko. Live from Dr. Chase Sports Complex. Ewa Brankese. Kotoko nil. Olympics nil. You see Nuritin Apeya Bonase. Nicolas Osebonsu. Bonachase. Referee say throw in. Referee ko Kotoko technical bench. Wawani obi oho. Emse nipa kra kan semfo ache referee. Bonabedi Kekeli Ato. Wajebo nimu. Yusuf Nuruddin Afa. Wadiama Intimenu. Baba Yayake. Wadiboneko. Steve Mukwala. Wapasio. Eric Zeze. Oh. Zeze. Yenim Seno Pasio. Seno Basio. Seno Plesio. Because the shot, it looks more like a pass than a shot. Our ball by the Ashe. You about 39 minutes. 6 more minutes plus additional time to end the first half. Kotoko Nsebi, Olympics Nsebi, Bonabedi Si Mukwala, Wajemu Diama Intimenu Diama Sese, ne pass nanko, Sese Asafa, Wadiama Intimenu, oh, Wadinabon Kumani Carbon Intimianko, Glassina Wako, Twice Kamoa, counter, Wale pass no, Matthew Agama, on the left side of attack for Olympics, Agama, Wane, Fuseni Saku, Wabo, Abo Intimenunsa, just on the edge of the Kotoko 18 area. Bonum Cotrini, Equanetica Krebia, the referee match penalty, Ete Ama Olympics. Banitie, a line on pay. Kakrabi in Katiatum. 40 minutes. Kotoko nil, Olympics nil. Dr. Che Sports Complex with 32 of the Ghana Premier League. Live commentary, Obian Sebi. Live on 100.7 on Ipa FM. Glassina Wako in a jumbo nachi. When you free kick specialist, Glassina Wako. Baby Aboni Tanehu, Edima Kotoko. Referee George Maulia Senabe. Awako. Born in and baby. Watch your mango. Over the bar. Bonnie a goal kick. Kotoko Jemuntem. Enoch Morrison. What the Amasa said. 20 Menu. Razak Kasim. Wakofa Bona Teato. Eric Zeze. Wajebonimu. Baba Yaya. Wapia Intimenu. What the Ama Zeze. Wayase Simu Kuala. Wenyano. Bono. Akodi goalkeeper Benjamin Asario. Razak Kasim Eda from one says a copri Bobby ho. A Intimanu ɛna Razak Kasim ɛne ne kɔpri bɔɔbi ho ntima no fa bɔɔl no ɛna Kasim ɛgya ne ho to hɔ wadɔ fam a ama kɔtɔkɔ akɔbɔ bɔɔl no sɛ no still ɔda fam Olympics medics no wɔn mo gyina ne ho a wɔn mo ɛhwɛ no Razak Kasim yet to a game no so ɛkyɛ yɛma mo yɛabɔ 42 minutes after 3 minutes ɛne deɛ referee ɛde bɛto so na yɛwie first half ɛwɔ ha obiara nsɛ bi Prosper Hokum wafrɛ Eric Sese ɛne no kasa bɔɔl no kuta Benjamin Asare wɔatwa bɔɔl no se wɔanya Oko Gripman wɔde bɔɔl no ama Kekeli atɔ wɔde abɛkyere Matthew Agama to Glaston Awako to Kekeli wɔawini throw-in ɛde ama Olympics Kekeli ato bɔɔl no ntɛntɛm so Bomu ya cheko toko. Enoch Morrison afa. Wale pass. And Tumianko. Isaac Mensah. Yame Beneza Seche. To Razak Kasim. Kasim to Isaac Mensah. Mensah to Abetamwa. Amwa Eji Ama Asikwe. Wapeja Bonimo. Matthew Agama control waiting a boxing. What do you play? Agama. One in Nicolas Osebonsu. Agama. I win free kick. Eji Olympics. Kotoko Personal. And you're too happy with every day.
FM 100.7.
Bonnie a free kick. Matthew Agama. One in Chelsea. Wapejamo. Goal! A goal! Raymond Oko Gripman. Wapimbono. Area Quatrium. Oko Gripman. Former player. Edmund Fishing FC, Raymond Oko Gripman, Wapimbono, Edia Tunekim, the free kick from Matthew Agama, Accra Great Olympics, and your first goal, Edia Tia, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, just on the stroke of halftime, Olympics have taken the lead at the Dr. K Sports Complex, and this would be a very important goal for Accra Great Olympics. With hopes of surviving relegation and maintaining their Premier League status, Olympics are in front. Kotoko are found wanting. You have about 45 minutes. Referee SCM for 3 minutes. Any time to so. Olympics 1. Kotoko 0. Referee foul. Ediama. Justice Bay. Waje Bono Akodi. Yusuf Nuruddin. Yusuf Nuruddin. Wapiabono, Ediama Justice Blay. Blay ne Kutabono. Blay. What am I Enoch Morrison? Morrison Kabona say Peter Kwamidu. Asikwe Abo Atwakene. Samuel Asikwe. Wabobon Atwakene. Bona Bedi Justice Blay. Justice Blale pass. Akwamidu. One through one them. Bonata goal kick for Accra Great Olympics. Bonnie goal kick. Olympics ball. Elia Asante Kotoko. 3 minutes and referee the two solo. Yabomu mienu anisa. Olympics, LED, the home team, Kotoko by 1 goal to 0. Yusuf Nuriti, Batu throwing Ediama, Justice Blade. Justice Blade the ball no ama. Yusuf Nuriti once again. Nuriti. What the ama Justice Blade. Play a lay pass. Asikwe. Wababora Tashe. Throw in for Kotoko. Ishaq Fuseni. Wafabolo Ejema Kotoko. Wachebodimo. Ejema Justice Play. Play the Ama Eric Tese. Eric Tese the Bonache. Awako Akoyama Nasatase. Another throw in. Kotoko. Steve Mukwala the Bonate. Enoch Morrison and Kota. Referee George Maudi Vomo. Why yellow card? Elias Enoch Morrison. Number 11, second man for Kotoko. Bondel free kick. Klasina wako. Wasomya jina ni Nesto. 3 minutes referee the tosoro. Ninja naso. 3 minutes ninja naso. Referee Emerson Labenke. I'm a first half of Bellevue. Enoch Morrison. Referee Abana Belly. First half ninja Bellevue. Ewo Dr. Sports Complex, Ewa Brankese. At the end of the first 45 minutes, Kotoko Isebi, Accra Great Olympics, one more Sabako. Olympics, ready Musa, on just 3 points winning now. Now Abuomo in their quest to remain in the Ghana Premier League next season. After 45 minutes, Kotoko nil, Olympics won. 100.7 Oyepa FM. Second half, yeah, the live commentary, Ebeto Aso, Eke Amamo, Solomon Kakendi.
Oyepa FM 100.7.
Okay. First half, Nina it means Abanaway, Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex. Okay, into a better Solomon Carter. Me better Sulas, so it means the first half, it means the Amayan. Now, it sounds to be with the Musu Villa Lex Centers and if the matches in the B. It means so at the amount. Mamula Muso, Samana boy, MLC, Mamma boy, Imla. Young Kwana, any Dennis in Incomo, Emfa, Infili. Samana boy, at to say. Ti I was saying pusu ahoma de ko na me hwese me nsan so betum so aka Dennis ewa ahoma no so a na Dennis nso aba ahoma no so na efi waba bi twa mfonyini etumi so de a kire yen aboy etese dwumedi no ekose Samates ene bebi ene Go Stars ena ebo ye wuramu ho na efi atoto ne ma na efi ya hwese de ne ma eko enso ewo ho okay Dennis what time kan Okay, Mr. Meton can be at the Demuso Hana. A boy to say,
A boy, I had my mother, I find myself after I say, it's not because there's someone after keep leading on. Can't get to see Papa, Mama, and I quite now, and I'm not going I've done a far, if you can't, about it. Then I asked for a love to and I took no close before me, and I both have different answer prayer, and I'm going to be a Mama. It's not such a boy, and see them animal, but then posters. I'm to be as well as a woman, support. To me, I have a share at Seven Kessea. Nancy, I have to arena. To summer test, get little and won't go out now. I am the time for a I'm a famous central winner. I was here out to that. In the same yeah, on our outfit. I'm trying to see a lot of what's now to tickets. I'm a fast one is so to make I didn't tell you to be honest. I'm not more much in Japan. The Piac and the sound of illegal. Someone can wash my bar. I didn't go past I was just hallelujah.
Okay. Dennis, I know what you be Eddie. I'm a Mijidi pass and Nigiano. Nigeria okay. Now after the first half, Abanewi or watch the more than near about Kumi, the good from Eddie Amayan. Afternoon, you know, why not airborne the pa make Casabia?
Also, I know now Britain and come out of there. Oh, Jimbo, and target out. We can come like just say, we need a bit of alcohol. One of us air puts low, and I get 20 years for Papa. But I told the Sanchez, I am about 3 level 40. All 1 million Papa is
okay. This my main for we see enough for when the actually. Mijidi is Samla boy, Mudim Kunimodi na league lady, a bit me a casamaji. It is said the energy of honor. Now, no, so what the mammy say, a boy moved to Midi League now, more the black sheriff in Eba, and
I am MP and the MC of one on the quiet to take him out. I'm watching a Timothy Dumpling. Didn't know what how much illegal as a quite of a child. It's in me. I'm going to hide the year, Papa. Some of the religion, origin, big kind of out. I tell him, I legally acquired the
okay, sir, energy o ma yen so de energy ne beba betato na afi bibia tumi so akoyenti Dennis mama na wase dwuma de ni na aba na wi ya mesa so aba waso no conclude bibia e de okay abusani ye Dennis na yete ne kan e de free ya boy Century Park Samates 1996 etifi ahye kan ba ko bibia ni Go Stars intumi so ente na se dwuma de ni ko wi se ya de a na medium so ne pandu ebodro na me betimi aka Samates the year 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League homo no mo ye winner nti ya na ya hye no so say aboy for na omaje league no omaje league no nim de betimi asesa aka 2 matches na ye the league no e ba na wiye 2 matches na league no eba na wiye enti ne na ebedi ho nkomo enso ewo ho na mami mu na FM fa matches my course Villa Lake Centers ni bi emfa emma Bekum Chelsea etifi obikum ahye ka ne bi no out you into me so ente Dreams FC etifi ahye ka ne ba ko Kawela United into me so ente Mediema Sporting Club ewo Takwa Akumpa Mediema into me shebi Pando out of Lions in shebi nso Ateman FC etifi ahye ka ne ba ko Accra Lions atikano emanaye 1-1 Samates 1996 Moti Dennis nka mahye ka ne ba ko bibi ni Go Stars into me so ente ɛna Asante Kotoko moti Solomon Carter nso enka so the live commentary no ɛde ɛma yɛn mo Kotoko tifie ɛma Great Olympics etwa ne ka ne ba kwa wontumi nso ɛnteye na ya no ahye no so etumi nso de amame Stephen Desi Mukwala enya penalty ɛna efi obo etotweneye nti Mukwala nso de ɛno no Asante Kotoko enhye bi Great Olympics ahye na ka ne ba ko Bekum Chelsea ahye ka ne bi na out you intumi nso ɛnteye Dream Service fi ahye ka ne ba ko Kawela United intumi nso ɛnteye Mediama Sporting Club etifi Mediama Shebi Samson Akpando out of Lions intumi nso enhyebi enso Ateman FC etifi wahye ka ne ba ko Accra Lions enso ahye ka ne ba ko mana ye 1-1 ena Samates 1996 etifi ahye ka ne ba ko Ghost Stars intumi nso enti we nso ne matches a etumi nso abaso ena matches ne bi etumi nso ekọ so na efi nanu fiada no just a gamer ebi 32 na no etumi nso ekọ so has etna fie ewa Accra Sports Stadium ehye ka ne bi no nanu fiada no Nations FC entumi nso ante ekanemu nso bi Sanso ena wuruma Legon Cities etna fie ehye ka ne ba ko bofo entumi nso ante Bechebi United etna eye nana fusuji abo park obichem ehye ka ne ba ko Doma Adriana Stars entumi ante enti we nso ne 3 matches a week 32 ekoso eye enula ena efinanu fiada no ena madane echiri etumi nso eti amount enso eno no na se dwumedi no yenhye we nso has has points no ana has ne relegation battle no when Great Olympics oli ahye no amade na yehu ayehu papa abusu ayehu has to relegation no oli ahye no amade na koye danger dangerous case ni hu Sisi Olympics ahye Asante Kotoko na over 36 points oli share Kotoko no wababa nya 39 points ena oli abo 31 matches oli ewo just a game outstanding ebo nyame yaduma ukuada oni Dream FC ene bebo has ewo 41 points. It is young fan say asemka a Great Olympics etumi wini Asante Kotoko game na obenya 39 points nyame yaduma outstanding nso ho woni Dream FC ukuada ene betumi nso abo so wotumi ehye Dreams FC a obetwem 39 etwemu has 41 no aba 42 na 42 no obi beka 41 42 they say angenye bibia o but so wunya 40 o 42 na so 41 now ne same team esanso o match a crucial game has any Great Olympics say has e wini Kotoko game now we say Dreams are obetwe has just a point now on has abo nyame adman next week na sa game no anybody decide but ye hwe Pando out of Lions any Mediama Sporting Club sisi no Pando entumi share enti Pando share no ye de ne point ba akwa ba beka ho di Pando about 39 points say Pando out of Lions entumi anhye Mediama Pando hu so aba relegation nim ebuso mu ntie ne ye pa o say Pando out of Lions enya ahye Mediama Sporting Club say kima the 39 no obe jump aba top no ababe san has ho na asanso ababe has Great Olympics Kawela United nso ehun nso wom ni nyina nso ne say Dream FC ache Kawela ahye ne ka ne baako first half ontumi nteye na first half ontumi nteye na Kawela aba 14th position okuta he say a position impo dey say dey to nchen na e points because your league you know obi to me obi the last was just a match otumbe di be fourth san your league na ya na table nete nti edu baby a team ne da no ye de to nchen na ya ka points no ho asem nti awie ye ka points no ho asem na ye de position no baby oda no ye de ho fa to nchen iti Kawela de na make ho asem no Dreams ahye ne baako ama Kawela abone 32 matches na wie first half na ba omabo nti ye de ka asem iti won so aba benya 40 points nti ama has ehun so ayeso nti mpaibo a ye bo nyina ne se ana mpaibo a has ekitafo na wose mo bo nyina ne se oyibo sister course ebonye Nigeria ena Robert mpaibo a wose mo bo ene se Dreams enhye Kawela no one day no we de nyina ho ya Pando out of Lions any mediema enyina ho ya se mediema ntumi nsha ema Pando nso enhye no 2 matches ya me boss yi etumi remain the same eno no has any Olympics omo ho betumi ayeso Olympics etumi kwhye eye Dreams dey ana has ene eye Oli no has etumi so aye bibi permutations na dey pa edu bia bia wutumi ka na so wasan so aba bisi wachi league ne hu ya league ne hu edu bia bia se wo check pa dia case ne hu sisi ai no ohwe yen hwe mfi 10th position Kotoko 43 baby the Good Stars 43 has 41 Dreams FC 41 Kawela United 40 Pando Heart of Lions 39 Great Olympics 39 Mini bofone out in film omodi kan relegation na dada omobuki omajumu ticket ko nti league no mu bubisa baby edu mo bo matches ni bi na edi omodi omedikan enti from 10th position na dey ba no Kotoko 43 Gold Stars 43 has 41 Dreams FC 41 Kawela 40 Pando 39 Great Olympics 39 teams ya me bobo omudin emubi etumi ko relegation e ma ne yi baby edu emubi etumi ko relegation ma ne yi emre ne nkrabia ne betim so akire yenhwe after game no ye beba ne aba be permutation e bi na fi bo hu baby o team no so da so team ni be ko relegation anase o monko no me de be ma ansana ya so igi medi ne so me ni mi ni nyina ye be keka ne ma de abom o twe pen baby edu ne de e Ghana be say ane yapon ena na be after game ne be after game ne just say ne sa Ghana be say Ghana bet nti sa ne be ye no o twe pen na me so ma twe me pen na yina ye calculations ye keka de see ni mti dwumedi ni na aba na wie ya ye be hwe ne ye di nkomo so e de afiri ho na ye be hwe ne afiri the second half etumi so e de ato aso na bipia enso etumi so aye fine na nipa mpempem na monitor commentary no aya na everyday be ameka nipa mpempem enti bia nso be wula na afiri the friend toss me no etumi so e de ahihye so okay ti ye hwena fi akeka ne ma de se ne na fi ye wula mo Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex na Solomon Carter asanso aba homa no so na fi solo etumi so atwa mfonyini no etumi so de akire me ne first half Kotoko eda for me ka ba ko muntumi so enti Mukwala enya penalty eboto twene ye ti ya na ma hye no so yi pa etumi so de amame nti ye keka ne ma de se ne ma menchia na me fanchi akese enko infama Madam Abena Techi me ba akope Madam Abena Techi ewo Akwatia line oben okin visa office no ehwo na Madam Abena Techi wenti Madam Abena Techi baby bia wo bia ene awie se wutimi amechia wona Greece Cosmetics eyo dia ewo Akwatia line wo branches baby ebi Waterfall ebi wo Kurofom edoso pa perfumes ahodo ne perfumes papa ena wo ton ho enku ahodo ne bibia Madam Abena Techi Greece Cosmetics ono ene ye de anti Madam baby we will be minim se ba na we bi atum ono mo fle ni nyina monitor commentary no so ewo ho ata aha atasa otime kan be chia na wie me yebedi nkomo after say jumedi no aba na wie enso ewo ho nti ye toto ne ma na efi bibia etumi sai akoye yen ko na ye ni Solomon Kata entro so emfa emfiri ho eye bohye be electric asadawa ma ene yesi nkwanya ye de like comment no so ba nti ne wotime kan eye anu webule mu ewo bohye ba electricals bohye ba electricals eho ena nkani apapa ni nyina enso ewo nti eye anu abomoden na watumi so de wani akwakopi mu ewo bohye ba electricals me say ha de wubule ma eye na everyday be america nimpa na say ni ma papa ye ton wo ya so ye no edu baby a nye yen ne esi di ho adanse wo na ese wo betoko na be di ho adanse edu baby ne ye ka obi be ka se bi ase ni wo de wa abla na beto ne ko aha nti bla bohye ba electricals me de me hu fan bi na sa fan no me gidi yi se me ne eda fan ke bi di ho komo na fan na esi etumi nso kwaji bi na fan no aisi AC no ya ye na yi ti se basket bi de esi ne nchen na eye fan a bomfama emfama na ebonti se AC na ningina ne se obepensu bi obepensu de egum na wape block na wo de egum sulim nso ne yenyuna fa na ebo nyina na etwe ni nyunu no na ebo nyunu bohye be electric as de David ade na no edi ai anu edi papa ni ma mo ton ho na no edi eda Frank mo ton ni ma o na said me come no be doing come say me pay bi kwesi me dem and if me pay bi nso di sisi me ho nyina be fa na ka se ho ye nika nti we opa unya o pe blog bawe na wo di akotum na ne kra na ne nso ku we e friend ku muku ebo bokra chen AC no because nso no chile sana blog ne dem ko ntumi na ne bio na fizi te ba ne sana fan nso eboni nyina ni me ka se me kan de be chima de asanfasa e bohye be electricals wo di wulamu wa ha eden ya wote me kan wo mu ya obedi cables ahodo CCTV cameras and cables ahodo ni nyina ye bohye be electricals oba remove standing fan or rent oba na sanfa kan wo de ye wo screen holders e wa ha bla ne bejo de garden light gate light bla beje light our boyfriend so betum so de asua de any man the doors on me kase me boba de be chima de asan so asa obeba na da frank ho eda yinipa se eda be bibia obi awie mechia o nyame sha no nyo kese wate eda samen so ho samen ho oba pa matilda ho Collins nso ho Miami man Richmond mu nyina so ho mu di djuma nti bomode na fo ne kopie mo bohye be electricals na fe ne man so nkoyiye emfa ema mamen kan messages ni bi minim match no enshase yenim de esi wo ho nti yakeka ne ma de esi na fi ya to aso Mike Father Mike okay I say hi born who for boutiques the day okay Mike be di nkomo me home message no so e wo ho yen kona fi Solomon Kata entro aso emfa ema so lotimenka
yes I Ediba Abrankese Dr. J Sports Complex second half of Kotoko Olympics game no asase base 2 minutes ni Olympics at the 1-0 at the Remo our first half second half is any idea Remo ayadeko Kotoko eda from a kabakwa one went to me ente Olympics LG 1-0 second half no medical kasasa coaches no enyan saka ebia bono ekuta Matthew Agama the bona koma Matthew Abaya say what the bono acha Kotoko Peter Amidu na the boneko Amidu wajebo ni ndiama baba yaya diama Andrew Sintimanu in team to Peter Amidu wajebo ni ndiama Eric Zeze wa cross the bona Olympics team woma yi bona bedi Isaac Mensa abeta mo ntimi afa Yusuf Nuruddin hey no boss water sana Yusuf Nuruddin What the Bona Cote, Bona Bedi Kotoko, Frederick Kasari, where Jabo Nimdama, Justice Blay, Blay Jabo Nimu, Bona Bedi Yusuf Nuruddin, what the Ama Enoch Morrison, the Ama Justice Blay on the right side of defense for Kotoko. What Kabani 10 the Bonico. Bono and Tumianko. Bona Sabedi Kotoko Renteno. Isaac Fuseni and Tumianfa Bonanko. Kotokwenya throwing. Wamato. Abedi Razak Kasim. Razak. Yekanacho. Referee Edeyama Great Olympics. George Mauli Vomao. Oni player Senekasa Uhuse.
Onyadofo Utio Yepa 100.7 FM. Onyadofo Utio Yepa 100.7 FM.
Oyirpa FM. I love it.
Say the Bonasimo. Bonnet Mianko. Matthew Adama. Wabosiza kick. Bono Abedi Kotoko Justice Blay. Watubono Eteyama Andrew Intimanu ne Kutabono Edema Kotoko. Wajemu Eric Sese. Wapiabono Peter Kwamidu. Matthew Abaya say Aibona Frio. Bonabedi Yusuf Nuruddin Kotoko and a second half. One more dictated pace. Ewo game nimu. Yes, I can Sima Etionum Bako. 51 minutes. Kotoko Ensebi. Accra Great Olympics Asabako. Bonabedi Yusuf Nuruddin. What the Bono Ama Justice Blay. What Pia Bono. Eria Koma Pitakwa. Went to me and train Asikwe. Bonabedi Isaac Fuseni. What the Bonama Intimenu the Ama Eric says about killer pass. Bona to me uncle. Olympics. One more page about him to me. Abedi Abekamo, ye can show. Referee free kick. Ejama Asan when you are Great Olympics. Free kick. Echo Etiama Olympics. $52 minutes. Kotoko, Eda form, Ekabako. Ewa Bankese. Se game no este se ya. The chance se Olympics. Etumia winning game na. League table no ebe sisa. Area Accra Great Olympics. One more ebe basro kakra. Se game no end this year. The tennis Olympics. Ebenya 39 points. One minute Heart of Lions. Ebeba Beboso. Name goal difference. And I separate you. Bono Abedi Justice Blay.
You're listening to
What the Eric says it.
107
Eric says it. What the Bonnie Bede? Intimenu. And so, hey! Ekaka Kirby, Cabonito, Achenem, missing the post by inches. Bonnie a goal kick. Benjamin Asari, Wabo Bonesim, Bonabedi Justice Blay, what am I Intimenu? Wasadi Bono, I'm a Justice Blay. Yeka Peter Aqua, Edena Tour, referee free kick, Ede Ama Asante Kotoko. The last game, after New Boy, game repire. Let's say around one game, so Kotoko Etwa Olympics Ewan Krain. After 90 minutes, Obia and Sebi. Before then, now Olympics, Asante Kotoko, last 2 seasons. Manuel Akese and Michael Osei 2 goals. I almost say, Ete Ebua, Momuse Asante Kotoko, Ekamienua, Womo Entumiante, last 2 seasons, and as I came Nekoso. Players be Ewa Matimua, Womo Efitae. Last season rather, yes, last season. And as I gave Etoja. Eric says, and now about Lodgenham, Steve Mukwala, and now about Lodgenham, Frederick Asari, and now about Lodgenham, Uko Olympics Asaya, Benjamin Asari boy, and now about Ebenezer Setcher boy, and now about Raymond Oko Gripman, the goal scorer, Sakem Nobobi. Razak Kasim, Ebobi, Samuel Ashikwe, Ebobi. And no, last season, and Olympics, Ese Kotoko, Ekamienua, Womo Antumi Anti. Yet one came in a soa diamamo. Bonabedi, Isaac Fuseni. Fuseni Diamant Menu, Pitaka, where yes, Yabutu Fuseni Motwam, Refrache free kick, Ede Amakotoko, Fuseni Dafom, Tokotoko passe, referee and train game. So that was a dangerous tackle from Samuel Abe Ashikwe. Samuel Ashikwe spotted in number 4 jersey for Olympics, the corporate. Kotoko medical team no area go primary so amore womo ebe treaty player ni team ete Isaac Fuseni Bonnie a free kick. Eric says the next election wa pejo. Amua. Wa prima frio. Bonabedi Nicolas Osebonsu. Wa chimba kwa chimienu. Ye kano. Yellow card. Yellow card. Eko Diama Ebenezer Setchere of Accra Great Olympics. That was a silly tackle on Richmond Debbie Nicolas Osebonsu. Bonnie a free kick. Yellow card Ekodiama Ebenezer Setchere. Inti manu Bonachi. Etima Kotoko. Kotoko da Fame Kabako. Wombet Menya equalizer through this free kick. Yen Kenyan Shine. 100.7 Oyepa FM. Refrashen Abe. Andrew Sintimenu. Wabosot. Debbie. Born and baby. And Benko area Okra. A goal kick. Benjamin Asari. What the ball no at 16-yard line so. Benjamin Asari. Wapeja Boni Eddie Sim. Justice play. Apim Boni the question. According goalkeeper Frederick Asari. Frederick Asari at Tubono. Ediama Yusuf Nuruddin. Nuruddin. Wadiama Babayaya. To Enoch Morrison. Back to Yusuf Nuruddin. Nuruddin Ajemu. Justice play. In possession. Justice to Inti Manu Andrews. Watre Bako. Wadiboneko. Imukwala. Went to me and control. Abet Amwa. Watre Bako. Dimrika. Abet. Olympics. But oh, Bonewa Edema Isaac Mensah and say it. Isaac Mensah rating about him. Wapase Justice Blair Yefrio. Bonabedi Andrew Sintimenu. Intimenu Wapase. Edema says to Babayaya. Counter attack. Babayaya. Baba to Zeze. Ne pass to Mianko. Wasafa. Eric Zeze. Wajemo Debbie. Referee say push way there a very minimal into 60 minutes of action. 60 minutes. 30 more minutes to go. Kotoko Olympics 1. Enoch Morrison ahead of Yama Babaya. Wadiama inti menu to Enoch Morrison. Morrison to Blay to see Mukwala. According Peter Akwa. Nanso Matthew Abaya say a clear the lines. Bona Sabedi Kotoko. Inti menu. Wadiama Isaaku Fuseni. Wa cross the bono. Oko Gripman. Wa head Yefrio. Babaya. Wake Yekano. Referee say, then Twaso, Bonata say corner kick for Kotoko. Corner kick for Asante Kotoko. Babayaya, Edreboneti, Entebia, Asante Kotoko, Ebeye, double substitution. Bernard Somoa Sapon, and Kalu Watara, Ebebem, Abeto Somneso, Eteama, Asante Kotoko. 2 players, one more Ebem. First change for Kotoko. Isahaku Fuseni, Wolfrim, Ama Bernard Somoa Aba. Second change, Eric Sechi Zeze, Ephraim, Kalu Watara, Eko. Akosena 9. Into a double substitution for Kotoko. Fuseni and Zeze out. Somoa and Watara in for Kotoko. Yet what game neso. Bono Akodi Kekeliato. Waboni Bohunu Atashe. A throw in for Kotoko. Osebo Suatodi Ama Babayaya. Babayaya. Wajemu Intimenu to Peter Akwa. Wapase 18-yard line ano. Bonabedi Intimenu. Babayaya. Went to control. Olympics a year free. Enoch Morrison. Wadiama. Wadibona che Enoch. Wasaje. Intimenu. Wani Abetamua. Abet. Ediama Babayaya. Baba Ediama Morrison. Morrison Diama Aqua Amidu. To Babayaya. Yaya Dano. Wapase Yanko. Wasafa. Yekano. A free kick. Etienne Razak Kasim and Accra Great Olympics. 62 minutes. Kotoko Olympics 1. Babayaya Intimenu shot. Hey! Intimenu getting closer and closer and closer. This is the third timer. Second half, Makai Wabo Sox, Ediako Olympics, Konimo, Nabako, a free kick. 3 times in India, Wamise Chanceno. Andrew Sintimanu, he loves to shoot from afar. Benjamin Asare, Wabo a free kick lesson. Bernard Somoa Hede, referee. Afre Kotoko medics in the Somra. No more Morrison. Morrison is sorry done in Aso. Yet to game niso. Bono a free kick. Class in Wako. Any charge from our 1 more exchanges. Let's drop Bono. Ediama Kotoko. You see Nuruddin. Ediama Blay to Peter Aqua. Aqua ama Asikwe Ajibono. Samuel Abe Asikwe. Wayi bone flo. Bona bedi glass na wako. Awako ede ama Ebenezer Seche. Center back. And so Obo as a defensive midfielder at the Olympics alongside Razak Kasim. Ewo Fifi. Ebenezer Seche asem na meka. Into him and the Olympics ekuta 3 center backs and omodi game bako a makeshift GM in the shape of Ebenezer Seche, Richmond Eko Gripman and Matthew Abayase. Bona be the Olympics Isaac Mensah what the bona ma abetamwa Kobede went to me Kotoko Ibon Efrio Bona be the Andrew Sintimenu. A long pass to the right side. Asikwe Ache. Ache Bonimu. Born over the Olympics. Offside. A free kick for Kotoko. Bonnie offside. Frederick Asare. Waje Bonimu. Ete Ama Yusuf Nuruddin. Nuruddin de Ama play. Blair Jemu Diama Peter Aqua back to Blair. Justice Blair. But Pierre Bono, Ejama Yusuf Nuruddin. Ewa Kotoko area. Nicolas Osebonsu. Ete pass in Kalu Atara. Atara Daneho. Wale pass Ona Koresi Mukwala. Nesankano Peter Aqua. Peter Aqua Intimenu. When to me I'm short. Bona Bedisi Mukwala on the right side across the Bono. Benjamin Asare Pierre. Abe Ponche Bono. Morrison short. Blocked. Morrison again. Babayaya. Miwika Fort. Boni Koyim. Abaya Sapim. Referee free kick. Ejamo Olympics. Referee Sebono. A free kick.
100.5
Kotoko. FAO. Matthew Abayase. Free kick for Olympics. Benjamin Asare. Energy. A brand new crown echo. A brand new crown echo. Olympics. Every Enkaya Betwatna. Edikai. Ediate Kotoko. Kalu Atara. Wabobo Nacho Olympics. Abet Amwa, Wale Pasino, Matthew Agama, and Timianko, Justice Blay, where he born in their free war. Justice Blay, where he born their Babayaya. Babayaya de Borhama Intimanu to Atara. Atara de Ma Bernard Somwa Sapo, Wake, Bernard Somwa, what am I Intimanu to Babayaya, Babayaya went to me and Bono da so Kotoko eho Enoch Morrison Wapeja Eddie Ama Mukwala yase Bernard Somwa Debbie goal kick for Accra Great Olympics. Olympics player Bako out of form. Referee Connington, George Mauli Fomao. One new Olympics player no Amena sorry. Babayaya. Wajebo ni mintimanu. Oh, Mamodi at Olympics. Enoch Morrison. A shot. Goal kick. But for Benjamin Asare, Kotoko would have gotten the equalizer through Peter Aqua Amidu. That was an ambitious shot from Aqua Amidu. But Benjamin Asare, once again in the thick of affairs for Accra Great Olympics, saving them and making sure they still have the 1-0 lead. Bono Ewo baba ya o. Waje mu dia man timen wo dia che. Ebeneza section watwe. Bona bedi glass na wako twaye obia ni ho. Frederick Asare. Asare to Blay. Justice Blay. Blay trouble na say Kalu antimi anko Oko Cape Man Mukwala Fabono Oko ayi kwatire eye throwing Oko Cape Man or Saute assistant referee assistant line 1 enti referee ayi ne yellow card ede ato Olympics number 14 Raymond Oko Gripman Oko Saute Richard calculated the assistant line 1 and as a result Oko Gripman goes into the referee's book. A chance of Kotoko Benasomo Edano Enam baby 71 minutes live on 100.7 Oyepa FM. Kotoko nil, Olympics 1. But Olympics still one more as a relegation anymore. Said the name Ekono. One more Edda Edunsia 16th on the league table. Even after taking the lead against Kotoko. Bonnie free kick. Justice Blay wa trouble on the 10-10. Benjamin Asare Pierre Abeche. Ede Ama Olympics. Bono Ekuta Benjamin Asare. Wabomutum. Justice Blay. Wamabone siwo. Justice Blay. Wakade Bono. Bono chase go kick. A referee take corner. Ede Epia Kotoko. Ose Justice Blay. Ede nyan last touch. And Sana Bono etache into a corner kick for Accra Great Olympics. Justice Blay enters a corner kick. Matthew Agama Afabono Obekaya in a similar instance. Our first half in him and Olympics Elinya Omugo in the 44th minute. Matthew Agama Papeda wanted the Zimo. You see Nulitina head here for you. Bonakodi Isaac Mensa. Wahere Yama class in Awako. Awako to Isaac Mensa. Isaac Mensa to Awako. Awako Diama Oko Gripman, the goal scorer. Oko Gripman. Oko Gripman. Frederick Asare Atebono. Everywhere Kelly Ato. Frederick Asare. Wabobono to the left side. And Conrad Bernard Somoa. Nanso. Sete. Wapimbono Frio. Baba fa bono area makotoko. Apeja bono area break Justice Blay. Blay. So apeja bono Olympic Sentia boxing. Benjamin Asare asepie abe ponchi bono area ma Olympics. Nicolas Osebon swapa. Benato moi. Le shot no. A force the goalkeeper need to save. Kotoko winning corner kick. Benjamin Asare Akafom. Hey! Benjamin Asare Wakafom. A temporary hold up. Referee say Olympics medical team no Emmanuel goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Enter Olympics, Eben Sakai. enter the Olympics. Ebe Sakai. Ewo game ni mo. Joshua Nate Ogum. Wafre Enoch Morrison. Ene kasa. Money success. Ewo line so. Benjamin Asare John and Niso. Benjamin Asare Wasore John and Niso. Tierebo Kona Kitilo Ente. Baba Yaya Ejna Bonachi. Bako mienu miensa wapija boni mo Debbie Atase Bona Atase Yabo 76 minutes water break referee calls Mauli Fomao. Was he players in the Quabonte? No one call him Kaka. Temperature and wasi. Inti a 1-0 in favor of Accra Great Olympics. One free and cry. And I'm about to Tenakane. On the stroke of half time, 44th minute. And Omunya Sakono. One crab. It was second of the Asante Kotoko. Entumi Ente.
Okay. Say water break idi ayen kwane fi yen fa matches ni bi e course Vela League Centers in Fama na yen sanso emu back ewo Dr. Kwame Chi Sports Complex na fi solo entwa so emfa emfili ho Brokum Chelsea atifi a share me ni out you entumi so ente 84 minutes na yetumi so abo Dream Service ya theater of Dreams a share kan ba ko Kawela United entumi so ente 84 minutes na yabo enso ewo ho Mediema Sporting Club at Takwa Akum Park. Mediema entumi shebi Samson Akpando Heart of Lions entumi so enshebi. Inso Atemana FC etifia na Nakwa Mansa Park washebako Accra Lions at Kanama na 1-1 ena wa boy in Century Park. Samates etifia she kanaba ko bibi ni Go Stars entumi so ente. Brokum Chelsea 2 out 0. Dreams FC 1 Kawela United 0. Mediema Sporting Club 0, Pando Out of Lions 0, Inso Atemana FC 1, Accra Lions 1, Samates 1, Bibiani Go Stars 0, Asante Kotoko, any Great Olympics, the Solo de Maya na, and one year that's Kuntem, Great Olympics 1, Asante Kotoko 0, Solo Air Traso Ablankese.
Great Olympics, AN Sakaye, Matthew Akama. 28 AC. But free. I'm a Michael say Abem. Stasuna Benjamin Stefano Eswebem. Or say 34 Jesse. Benjamin Stefano. Polo Abem Abeyi Isaac Mensah. Ephraim Ama Benjamin Stefano Abem. The double substitution for Olympics. Isaac Mensah and Matthew Akama, Ephraim, Ama Michael say, any Benjamin Sivagnon, Adam Ebetua came so, and the Amaka Great Olympics. About 79 minutes. That's it, we have in mono. Referee free kick, and Ama. The Chief Justice. Referee say about free kick over for Justice Black Jibono. What am I Pitakwa? That was too casual. Yeah, Jibono free. Peter or Enoch Morris say what about shot? Intimenu. Oh, the personal unlocated player bia. Bonata say go kick. A goal kick. Olympics boy dey check Kotoko. 80 minutes in the game. 80 minutes. 10 more minutes to go. 10 more minutes for Kotoko to salvage a point and deny Accra Great Olympics the opportunity of winning the 3 maximum points tonight. Baba Yayache, Odiama Aqua, Aqua Diama Blay back to Baba, Baba to Aqua, Aqua Ediama Intimenu, Wadiama Bena Somuache, Bonabedi, Benjamin Chivanyo to Michael Osei, why outside. Quickly, Frederick Asare, Eddie Bonema Blay Diama, Aqua Amidu, Yakano, Refaji free kick, Eddie Etia, Gladson, Awako, Aqua Amidu, what are from? A free kick. Just around the 18-yard area of Accra Great Olympics. Enoch Morrison and Ejan Bonachi. Enoch Morrison, one Ejan Bonachi, Edema Kotoko. Bakumi Enumi say Enoch Morrison Peja Bonimo. Olympics say here for counter attack. Benjamin Chivanyo, what the Boneko, Wale pass to the right side. Nanko Michael Osen in Sankano. Bonabedi Frederick Asare to Yusuf Nuruddin. Wapeja Bono Kalu Apim. Akodi goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Wachibono Adaso. The Ghana Premier League and Odasuti live commentary from Dr. Ken Sports Complex. Ewa Brankese, Kotokoda from Ekaba Komuntiminti. Akasimano Nwache, and the referee de Batoso. Na game no, Ebanawie. Free kick, Kodiama Olympics. Olympics preparing another change. Olympics. Entebia. Wambaya Ensakaya Fufro. Kotokoso Ebe Ensakaya. Ente Peter Kwame Duna Ajebono when to me and Franco Ashikwe Ajebono Bonabedi Benjamin Seche what the Bono Ama Habetamwa Atrase Justice Blele Wafabono Wato Ediama Enoch Morrison Diama Kalu Diama Intimenu Diama Babaya Baba back to Intim Diama Pitakwa Kalu Debi Mukwala 1-2 oh Pitakwa Obiani ho Born na 18 enimsa Eko Bonakodi Benjamin Chivanyo Wani Osebo Su Nicholas Chivanyo Ekano Refraje Fao Eri Etia Kotoko Sadrak Ajo Encho Bebem Ediama Kotoko Emmanuel Entry Ebem Abeyi Gladson Awako Gladson Awako Ephraim Ama Emmanuel Entry Abem Enoch Morrison Supreme Ama Sadrakado Ako Twaso Ede Ama Kotoko Bonnie a free kick. Razak Kasim, Elexia Bonaki. Wapeja Bonimo. Michael Osentina Hede. Olympics, Aibona Manachase. A throw in Kotokwa Tunentem. Bonabedi Babaya, referee. SAM Chinchen game so. Nuruddin Yusuf Edafom. Womabo free kick in time so. Justice Blade. Blade ama Pitakwa. Pitakwa Tree, Entimianko. Asikwe. Ayamana Trashe. Watubon in 10 times to Pitakwa once again. Olympics Aibon Afro. Oko Greatman. Wababo Nimsetum. Bonabedi Beneza Seche. Wale pass. Ediama Benjamin Chivanyo. Wesum Nicholas Osebon Sudenashio. Referee free kick. Ediama Kotoko. Osebonsu. Ediama Intimenu. Esariama Osebonsu. Wadiama Sadrakado. Ado. Lisotna Primnipa. You see Nuruddin. Wadiama Adubim. Babaya. Wakabone 10 si Mukwala head ya pass. Kalu. Bernard Somwa. Wakamango. The shot in the number Bikra. Bernard Somwa Sapon. "88 minutes. "87 rather. Justice Way. Wapimbono. Emmanuel Entry. Waritene. Asikwe. Wapasene kama. Abetamwa to Emmanuel Entry. Watomi Atri. Abetan Emmanuel Entry. Watiato. Wasoriafa. Emmanuel Entry wadano. Emmanuel Entry. Wadibonama Abetamwa. Amwa. Obetmili akwana. Oh, wadiame Beneza Setre. Razak Kasimafa. Kasim. Edama Emmanuel Entry. One to me. Baba Yafa. Babake. Yesumno. Esot. Baby. Apim Yusuf Nuruddin. Referee throw. Edama Olympics. Bonnie throwing. Olympics. Samuel Asikwe. Watubono Asabedini ho. Asikwe pass Yantimianko. Justice Bay. Wa control ball kama. Baba Yaya. Wachabo ne tenche ball Yantimianko. Bene Wadiama Asikwe. Asikwe Ebobono Michael Osen Timian control. Bonnie Trashe through for Kotoko. Bonnie through for Asante Kotoko. Watubono Ediama Pitakwa Diama Baba Yaya. Baba Yaya tries to locate Mukwala. Ninsankano. Bonnie Trashe a through Edima Great Olympics. Bonnie throw 90 minutes now, so we are doing 6 minutes of additional time. 6 minutes added time. Pitakwa, Wachediama Mukwala, Razak Kasima Boyfrio, Justice Blapim, Baba Yaya, Pitakwa, Steve Mukwala, back to Pitakwa, Sadrakado, Baba Yaya, Baba Wadiama Osebonsu, Nicholas, Kotoko, one person Mutiomuka, Emuayetere, Etiamomo, Intimenu, to Osebonsu, Bonsu, to Baba Yaya, Oyasi Anko, Tekeli Ato, Wajebo Nimo, Michael Osei, One Yusuf Nuruddin Ache Bono. Wapia Bono the ama Justice Blay. Ye pass no end to me anchor. But Oma when it throw in Mr. Kotoko. What two ball in 10 times so the ama Blay to Babaya 20 menu. What the ama bena somwa ewo bonkum so. Wajemu Kalu Watara Babaya Debbie Nisotino AFB goalkeeper Achibono. Benjamin Asari Achibono. Okutaboni sa on person be bosim. Referee the ball toward the Amasari. Benjamin Asari, Olympics goalkeeper. Oli Diwan, Odile Kaka. Wabobonesim. Justice Blay, and to me ahead. You see, Nuruddin, ahead of the Ama Frederick Asari. Asari abo, someone up him. Lofraje Fao, Eretia Kalu, Watara. A free kick, Olympic Sebo, Eretia Asante Kotoko. 6 minutes. I referee the Tosono. Yabomu 3. I got 3 minutes. Abetamwa. Wajebo animo. Bona ntimianko Kotoko afa. Babaya. Odi ama Peter Akwa. Wadi ama Babaya once again a shot. Deflected shot. A corner kick for Kotoko. A corner kick for Jebo in Benasomwa. Hey! Benasomwa. Le shot oh boy no. And I'm baby cry. Goal kick for Olympics. Next substitution. Olympics Ebeyen Sakaye. Olympics Ebeyen Sakaye. Name of just a born a Kwanzaa. Olympics I say Bako Asante Kotoko Wamwen Tumiente. Olympics Obium. Intimenu went to me anfa. Abednago Asafo. Wabobo ne dia che Babaya. Watimrika Praga wa de boneko. Bena somu awatwe. Somwa wa ibona sikakra asikwe. Wabobo na frio. Akabe 30 seconds. Na game na ende. Bona be di Justice Blay. Wa cross the ball no throw in. Kwa Asante Kotoko. Justice Blay. This could be the last opportunity for Asante Kotoko. Justice Blay. Olympics are saying here for another throw in for Asante Kotoko. Olympics player bako Ejane ho atofam. 6 minutes Nina so 6 minutes a referee to no. Ya boy Wapeja Bonimo Benjamin Asari Wapia be Pimbo Nepio Bona Bedi Shadrakado Wake and Tumianko. This could be it for Olympics. Michael Osei Wake Wadomi Babaya and an out form. Michael Osei Wapeja Bonasio Achase referee Eddie came no Babana and Chakra. Referee Nabe Eddie came in Babana Ewo Abrankese Dr. Che Sports Complex, Asante Kotoko and Sebi, Olympics, Ese Bako, Raymond Oko Kripman, Wanunenya Gono, Edima Great Olympics, Wama Twaso, Enya the 3 maximum points. Ewo game nimo. It is all over. Olympics have emerged victorious over Asante Kotoko, and they keep their Premier League hopes alive. Next game, Olympics, any hearts, and there be many dreams, and about standing no, and they are free all, and some of my crowds of folk. Now, Wama has said here, and Yamabeko. But for now, Olympics, and 39 points. Still,